Understand some people, to congratulate others when you see them doing great, see them making name for themselves. Your own you sit there and be doing anyhow, and come on people's comment section, guys. This is the behind of our house. The view is giving. So you come, you sit with people. They say anything get time. You see this tree? It's winter. All the leaves, the flowers has fallen because it's winter. You see those ones, everything has fallen. Those other ones, they are for the 2 seasons. So these ones, they say anything get time. This time is winter. That time, when the tree will be having flowers, leaves, that's in summer. That time will have its own flowers, and that's why they say anything get time. So when that person's time don't reach, waiting be a problem. Whether you want make an how for social media, it no concern you. The environment, the nature. So I want to say, when people are happy, you should join them happy. Not that you want everybody to be sad every day. We there for 2026. Somebody they come for under comment section for Facebook for somebody. Can they talk how this thing be happen? You remember the person. You want to remember the person for thing we don't pass for 2020, 22, 23. You be normal so. Thing for 2022, this person, when I don't forget them on a 2023, you can't talk about where they jubilate with in new things and where they get them, where they jubilate them with the fans and with people where they like to jubilate, people where they like to congratulate, people where they like to go forward, people where they like to maybe be elevated. You know, you come for comment section, but you don't know say that comment section, like where they give them money, because that thing where you write them. He go take and make video. She go take and make video. You go for put a comment section for I beg this social media. No be everybody go be there. If you get power, now you go be there. If you don't get power, you come out. Maybe you would even go for comment section for that person. You don't even get page. I don't even know how to create. Why you know if you go ask that person, that lady who they talk about, or the man who they talk about, say, I beg, help me, teach me how they create content. I want to be a content creator, or I want to be a social media. I want to get handle for social media. I want to create a name. I want a niche. Those things, they go help you. Not be say, oh, you can't learn for social. You learn for either Facebook, YouTube. You make your own page. You make something for yourself. Grow yourself. They say know yourself. Take that talent where you get up. That write up where you can't write up. So you know how to write. You can't write. Why not take that write up? Make video or make something for yourself. So that tomorrow in future, you go to earn for that thing, you go to chop money. This person, they enjoy, they catch out every day. They call live basis. You know, get sense. You not get sense. Some of you I don't know what they worry una. And some of you are there for people that under come. If you come for person in page, you know like the person. Pass. You know like what they do. Pass. Leave what the person they do. Just go you. Most people they come, even for my own page, they go just look at it. But yes, me look and pass. No write anything for them. If you write anything, no problem. If you like insult me, I go even like them. Because now I go use them. That one sentence where you put them for them, or they just one thing where you write them. If you write a short sentence or long one, we go use them make video dey. Even a 1 minute video, tomorrow you go pay. Even if na from 15 seconds, it pay. Ma tell una. If you no sabi, cents they fall every day. You see the video how they make am. If you perform well, na 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, 4 cent, that. It drop na top. Tomorrow before you know it, you don't pay. You go there, they cry for backyard screen. You go they cry for corner your telephone. You know what make people they know say if you vex how that person they make money. You dey vex how that woman they make money. If you dey vex you, now this message I say man, now I say I'll take and make video. I no go put the person name. May no can be relevant. Yes. because if I put am, he go see say he be relevant, his name go dey go far. Na lie, I no go put am. I don't just take the thing, I can't make video dey. If you like, go again, go put message. I go still go for that person. I still listen. I take and to make video. Give me ideas now. They say as a content creator, you must know what to talk. If you know how to explain yourself, you can be here. If you don't know, go and sit down. My brother, my sister, whether I be sister, you be brother. Just the kind they put the comment, then we go they like them. What I go? Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful weekend. Happy Saturday to each and everyone. Take care of yourself. Rejoice with people where they rejoice. Jubilate with them. Happy with them. Congratulate them. So that your own relation too will come. Even if not be content, you go come for different way. Whether you do a business, you will progress. People too come. I congratulate you. Your business they fine. Guys, my container don't reach a whole no. I know. No be whole. My container don't reach Lagos. So if you want to buy, I know say January. No, then a time for buy keep. January too na time for buy keep. Sometimes you go see container no go dey much for January. You go dey find goods you no go see. So na so the business dey. Na no say business dey na some kind. For December na so business be choke. Na so it enter. Na so container dey enter. Pop. Any man dey want me container come up for December. Na so business no dey last year. So this 2026, I hope say we pray for good business for each and everyone. My wine day, if you want wine, you want make a celebration, you want make Valentine's Day with the count for 14 February. A day Gidigba, a day Lagos. Anyone we want, the whiskey, the everything, cognac, everything original. Portugal, Italy, Moldova, Spain, Bordeaux, France. Iwotago. Thank you. Bye-bye. Why? Una come so una watch, una help us share na. Una watch am, una share am. If you like what I do, give it a thumbs up, put small comment, share am for me. Help me share am so me to go viral now. If I go viral, all we go enjoy. No be so. Because of when I watch am, right? If you watch the video like 3 minutes, it good. You watch even 2 minutes, watch even 3 minutes, it good now. Take some 3 minutes for your time, watch the video then. Always watch them so that make money the act, make the high. No worry. Bye-bye.